Hello, a gorgeous sunny morning in April. We're here today to fit bifold doors on this beautiful property. And we're going to be fitting some sliding doors that use the Tommafold system, which is hung from above. Customer wanted us to match the doors and frame with the original colour on the house. We've even matched in the hinges, and all the ironmonger is black. Accoya is perfect for a painted finish because it's really smooth and it takes the paint really well. The doors have been made from scratch in our workshop in Poole, and we've made the doors from an Accoya timber. There's a couple of other little YouTube films that we've done. One will tell you all about Accoya and its properties, how good it is, and another little film we've done tells you about the spray finish that we can offer. How do we get such a smooth finish on the doors? Well, we found a local company, local to us in Dorset, that offers a professional spray finish. It's a glassy, smooth finish that you could only achieve by using a professional spray company, but you'd never get this finish using a paintbrush. Fold sliding door system and all the running gear is supplied by the great team at Runners. Those guys have got 35 years experience with supplying all the mechanisms that we use. It's a fantastic product, and so a big shout out to the guys at Runners Sliding Door Systems based in Buckingham. Okay, that just about wraps this job up. I'm incredibly proud of these two young men, the skills that they've achieved and what they can make. Sliding Accoya doors using the Tommafold system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.